girls want to get a quick drink?
I'm so there. Can't. I'm working in the morning. What time is it already?
About 4:15.
Thanks. Hey, Pat.
Hey, Rob.
This is Chantel. This is Isabel. Hi.
Nice to meet you, girls.
Pat and I go way back. I'm sorry, guys. It's getting late.
Are you walking home?
Yeah, I'm cutting through the park.
No, we'll go with you. It's late.
It's cool, guys. I'll be all right.
You know, I'm actually going in that direction anyway, so I can walk you home if you want.
You could totally trust him. Pat's really cool. All right, then. But we gotta go now.
Okay.
Ciao, girls.
Bye.
Nice
Girls.
meeting you.
He's cute.
That was really sweet of you to walk with me.
For a beautiful girl, anything. Well, actually, I was going in that direction anyway, so.
You live nearby, I guess?
No, not really. No.
Oh, where are you going?
To my friend's house.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're an old friend of Rob's?
Yeah, we grew up together.
Really? Where?
Europe.
Europe?
Yeah.
Wow, I never knew that.
I know.
Interesting.
I know.
She doesn't tell me. Ah, like, hey!
Swing, and it'll be a last.
A shocking 60% of college-age males say that they would commit sexual assault if they were certain of not getting caught.